Thinking about revamping your cooking space? You're not alone. As a kitchen remodeling contractor, Kitchener Residents Trust, we often get asked, what is the average cost of a kitchen renovation in Kitchener-Waterloo? It's a crucial question, especially for homeowners eager to invest smartly in their homes. Understanding the costs involved can help you plan effectively and avoid any unwelcome surprises. In Kitchener Waterloo, where the real estate market is thriving, a well executed kitchen remodel can not only enhance your daily living experience, but also significantly boost your home's value. In this article, we'll break down the factors that influence renovation costs, from materials and labor to design choices and unexpected expenses. We'll also provide insights into how to stretch your budget without compromising on quality or aesthetics. Whether you're dreaming of a full scale overhaul or a more modest update, knowing the average cost and the factors at play will empower you to make informed decisions. So, if you're curious about what it takes to transform your kitchen into a dream space while staying within budget, keep reading for a detailed guide tailored just for Kitchener Waterloo homeowners. Understanding kitchen renovation costs in Kitchener Waterloo. For homeowners in Kitchener Waterloo considering a kitchen remodel, understanding the potential costs is crucial to planning a successful renovation. On average, a kitchen renovation in this region can range anywhere from $15,000 to $50,000, depending on the scope of the project. This wide range is influenced by various factors, such as the size of the kitchen, the quality of materials chosen, and the complexity of the installation. Consulting with a reputable kitchen remodeling contractor in Kitchener can provide a more tailored estimate based on specific needs and preferences. When planning your budget, it's important to consider the trade-offs between cost and quality. While it might be tempting to opt for budget-friendly materials, investing in higher quality cabinets and countertops can enhance both the functionality and resale value of your kitchen. Homeowners should also factor in labor costs, which can vary based on the contractor's experience and the project's complexity. Working with a knowledgeable kitchen remodeling contractor in Kitchener ensures that you get the best value for your investment while keeping the project on schedule. Prioritize your must-haves. Determine which elements of your kitchen are most important, such as high-end appliances or custom cabinetry, and allocate your budget accordingly. Plan for unexpected expenses. Set aside an additional 10 to 15% of your budget to cover unforeseen costs that may arise during the renovation process. Consider phasing the project. If budget constraints are tight, consider renovating in stages, focusing on key areas like the countertops and flooring first. Explore financing options. Look into home improvement loans or lines of credit to help manage the financial burden of a kitchen renovation. Seek professional advice. Engage with a kitchen remodeling contractor in Kitchener early in the planning phase to gain insights into cost-effective solutions and design options. Key factors influencing your kitchen remodel budget in Kitchener. When planning a kitchen renovation in Kitchener-Waterloo, understanding the factors that influence your budget is crucial. The size of your kitchen, the quality of materials you choose, and the complexity of the design can all significantly impact the overall cost. For example, a small kitchen with basic materials might cost considerably less than a large custom-designed space with high-end finishes. Additionally, labor costs in the Kitchener area can vary, so it's essential to work with a reputable kitchen remodeling contractor in Kitchener who can provide a realistic quote based on your specific requirements. Another critical factor is the scope of the renovation. Are you looking to update your kitchen with new cabinets and countertops, or are you planning a complete overhaul, including flooring, appliances, and lighting? The scope will dictate not only the timeline, but also the budget. In Kitchener-Waterloo, mid-range kitchen renovations typically range from $25,000 to $50,000, while high-end remodels can exceed $75,000. It's important to prioritize your needs and wants to ensure you stay within your budget. Kitchen and Bath Reno Guys can help you navigate these decisions by offering practical solutions that align with your financial goals. Consider a phased approach to your renovation, tackling essential updates first and luxury upgrades later. Opt for locally sourced materials to save on transportation costs and support local businesses. Reuse or refinish existing cabinets and fixtures to cut down on expenses without sacrificing style. Get multiple quotes from different contractors to compare costs and services effectively. Plan for unexpected expenses by setting aside a contingency fund of about 10-15% of your total budget. How to plan a cost-effective kitchen renovation in Waterloo. Planning a kitchen renovation in the Kitchener-Waterloo area can be both exciting and daunting, especially when trying to manage costs effectively. It's crucial to start by setting a realistic budget that accommodates both your needs and wants. A kitchen remodeling contractor in Kitchener can help you understand the various cost components involved, such as materials, labor, and permits, and provide insights into where you can save without compromising quality. One of the key strategies to keep costs in check is to prioritize the changes that will have the most significant impact. For example, updating cabinetry and countertops can transform the look of your kitchen without the need for a complete overhaul. Consider which elements are a must-have and which are a nice-to-have. This will help you allocate your budget more effectively. Additionally, when planning your renovation, think about how you can incorporate energy-efficient appliances and fixtures. This not only helps in reducing utility bills, but may also qualify you for local rebates or incentives available in Kitchener-Waterloo. Set a firm budget. Determine a maximum budget and stick to it. Factor in a 10-15% contingency for unexpected expenses. Choose quality over quantity. Invest in fewer high-quality items rather than spreading your budget thin over many lower-quality options. Work with local experts. Hiring a kitchen remodeling contractor in Kitchener ensures you benefit from local knowledge and expertise, which can streamline the process and potentially lower costs. Consider DIY for smaller tasks. If you're handy, consider tackling some of the simpler tasks yourself, such as painting or installing fixtures, to save on labor costs. Plan for the long term. Make decisions with longevity in mind. Durable materials and timeless designs can prevent costly updates in the future. Choosing the right kitchen remodeling contractor in Kitchener. When embarking on a kitchen renovation in Kitchener-Waterloo, selecting the right kitchen remodeling contractor is crucial to achieving the kitchen of your dreams. The region boasts a variety of skilled contractors, but finding the one that aligns with your specific needs and budget can make all the difference. A professional contractor will not only bring your vision to life, but also ensure the project is completed on time and within budget. It's essential to conduct thorough research and consider a few important factors before making your choice. Begin by assessing the experience and reputation of potential contractors. Look for contractors with a proven track record of successful kitchen renovations in the Kitchener-Waterloo area. Check online reviews, ask for references, and if possible, visit completed projects to get a first-hand look at their work. Local expertise is particularly valuable, as contractors familiar with regional suppliers and regulations can streamline your project. Additionally, ensure they have the necessary licenses and insurance to protect you and your home in case of unforeseen issues. Ask for detailed quotes. Obtain quotes from at least 3 different contractors. This will help you compare costs and understand what is included in each estimate. Clarify the timeline. Discuss the expected timeline for your renovation up front to ensure it aligns with your schedule. Delays can lead to increased costs and frustration. Communicate your vision clearly. Make sure the contractor understands your design preferences and functional needs. Clear communication can prevent misunderstandings during the renovation process. Check for warranties. Inquire about any warranties or guarantees on the workmanship to ensure long-term satisfaction with the renovation. Visit showrooms. Many contractors have showrooms or partnerships with local suppliers. Visiting these can provide inspiration and help you make informed decisions about materials and finishes. How costs compare across Kitchener, Waterloo, and Cambridge. When planning a kitchen renovation in the Kitchener-Waterloo area, it's important to understand how costs can vary depending on your location. In Kitchener, where many homes date back before the 1960s, you can expect to pay between $25,000 and $70,000 for a kitchen remodel. The older housing stock in Kitchener often requires updates to aging plumbing and electrical systems, which can push costs toward the higher end of that range. In contrast, Waterloo features a more modern housing landscape, with many homes built post 1980. As a result, kitchen remodeling costs in Waterloo generally range from $20,000 to $60,000. With fewer issues related to outdated infrastructure, homeowners in Waterloo often find their renovation projects to be more predictable in terms of budgeting and timelines. However, the thriving student population and demand for rental properties can sometimes drive prices up. Cambridge, especially in historic areas like Galt, Hespeler, and Preston, has many century-old homes. These older structures can pose unique challenges and often require more extensive updates. Consequently, kitchen renovations in Cambridge typically fall between $30,000 and $75,000. The historical charm comes with the trade-off of potentially higher costs due to necessary structural and system upgrades. Consult a local kitchen remodeling contractor in Kitchener to get a detailed estimate tailored to your home's specific needs. Consider the age and condition of your home's infrastructure to anticipate potential additional costs. Factor in the potential for increased property value when renovating in well-established neighborhoods. Explore different design options with your contractor to find solutions that fit both your budget and style preferences. Plan for contingencies by setting aside an extra 10 to 15% of your budget for unexpected expenses. Ready to transform your kitchen but unsure about the costs? At Kitchen and Bath Reno Guys, Kitchener-Waterloo, we offer competitive pricing and top-notch service. Visit our Kitchen Renovations Kitchener-Waterloo page to explore your options, or check out our profile on Google for more details. Call us at 226-894-0234 or visit kitchenandbathrenoguys.ca to book a free estimate or request a personalized quote. Let us help you create the kitchen of your dreams today.